Even if you didn't accomplish anything significant, don't be discouraged. Just aim to accomplish something significant tomorrow and the next day. And so, if anybody's going through anything, I hope and I pray that you get through it, and just know that you do have the strength to get through whatever the fuck you're going through.
Tiger made another one.
Lagi ko dala-dala ang mga sakit na pinadama. Nawalan na ng saya, kahit iwala sa iba, di ko na nagawa. Kasi nga ginago, nilaro-laro, wala na bang bago. Lagi na lang ganito, sinubukan ko naman ayusin na lahat, kaso hindi pala ako naging sapat. Napakalalim ng sugat na iniwan mo sa'kin. Sige nga, paano pa kita patatawarin? Tama na, ayoko na, sa wakas natapos rin. Nalunasan, napunasan, gumaling nga ba okay din? O sige, umalis ka na, wag na muling bumalik pa. Kaya ko nang mag-isa, nasanay na nang wala ka. Para sa'kin wala nang alam.